are going to make tinopak today, or tinola with pakwan, and we're going to be using pureed watermelon, fresh malunggay or moringa, green papaya, some onions, garlic, some ginger, lemongrass, and of course our chicken. Okay, let's saute our onions, our garlic, some ginger. For about 2 or 3 minutes. Now we can add our chicken. Alright, let's stir it up. Halo, halo, halo. Make sure it's evenly cooked. Okay, and now we can add our fish sauce or patis. This is of course according to your taste. You can adjust it. You can add more or some salt and pepper. Okay, now we can add our pureed watermelon. You can also add a little bit more water if you want more soup. Let it cook until the chicken's tender. Let's put the lemongrass for extra flavor. Give it 20 or 25 minutes, just until the chicken's tender. There you go. Now we can add our green papaya. We're gonna let it cook for about 5 minutes or so. We can add our green peppers. And lastly, we could add our malunggay or moringa. Let it cook for a couple minutes. And there goes our tinopak or tinola with pakwan. Enjoy! See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!